Hey y'all, now it's sketchbook check, right? So this is my first drawing. Now this is my signature, Raha. This is a boy, this is a girl hugging each other. This is another drawing, but it's from class 2 and I regretted it because I have signatures. So you have already scrolled it down the video half. If you didn't, if you saw that, then like. If you also saw that the page was flowing this princess, then leave a subscribe. I was tired in the morning, so I draw this rain, but I hadn't it colored because I was too lazy. And it was for my exam, but it was a helicopter. Here is another one. And I will draw soon. Okay? Bye.